Alright, this is Nice Onion Powder. Nice is a brand that makes onion powder. So I have this right here, and I'm gonna just go ahead and show it what the ingredients are. And right here it says in clear Spanish onion powder. Alright, so here it is, 100% satisfaction. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And there's a safety seal that you must get underneath before you can access the onion powder. So I'm going to go ahead and poke a hole inside of the seal and try to pull it back and expose the fresh oniony smell. Come up to the screen and smell that. It smells like onion. So the onion powder is very fine, very aromatic onion flavor. Smells really good. Go ahead and put the top on, and then I'm going to let you see the grates that it comes through. So here are the grates right here to sprinkle it out on whatever you want for that great oniony flavoration. Alright, so here is the nice onion powder. Pretty cool. Thanks a lot for watching.